Hi everyone, my name's Anthony Cummins and I'm about to take you through the sounds of a samurai battle camp, not battlefield. I'm the author of the Book of Bushido, so please click the top link to get a copy of the book. But without further ado, let's go on the sounds of the Japanese battle camp. So, what you might notice in the sounds of the battle camp is that there'll be probably a gentle breeze. Now, I've put a breeze in here in the background, but also there's going to be fire. There's fire everywhere in a battle camp, everywhere. In the background you will hear horses neighing, but you will also hear them clipping and clopping around, most likely on grass. However, the other things you'll get are conch shell sounds, drums and different types of instruments. Now, because of my limited ability on this, I only could put a few audio tracks in. So actually I've only put the conch shells in here. So we have fire, the breeze, conch shells, horses, and if you listen carefully, the sounds of a blacksmith, because in samurai battle camps there will be blacksmiths. Now, what we're missing here is the chattering of humans, the songs of dancers and actors performing, and of course the sounds would vary in their volume depending on where you are. So maybe in the future, when I get a far more sophisticated editing suite, we can do it a more detailed version of the sounds of a battle camp. If it's okay, click the link and get yourself a copy of the Book of Bushido.